What's going on, NCTI friends? Welcome back to another episode of Wired Wisdom Tech Talk, presented by NCTI. This series gives us the chance to explore the latest in broadband tech and talk to you about it. Today we're diving into Hamina's ultra-slick pre-site survey tool, simply called the Network Planner. This design tool lets you create a virtual wireless environment where you can plan, test, and design a Wi-Fi, IoT, and/or cellular network. And the best part, you don't need any design experience to get started. Imagine this, you're a commercial broadband salesperson looking to deploy an enterprise Wi-Fi solution. All you need from the customer is a map of their property and an understanding of their Wi-Fi needs. And with this information alone, you can lead a visually compelling sales call where you can show your potential customer everything from network coverage and AP placement to wiring locations and PoE needs, all without touching a single piece of physical equipment. It's a fantastic way to make your sales presentations not only informative, but also visually appealing. I'm excited for you to see how Hamina's Network Planner can impress your customers and streamline your workflow. You ready to dive in? Let's get started. Hamina's Network Planner is a cloud-based tool that lets you design wireless networks directly on top of any floor plan. If you don't have a floor plan, no worries. A Google Maps image of the building's exterior or even a simple drawing of the interior can work in a pinch. But if you can, I highly recommend using a floor plan. It'll make your design process much easier and quicker and will help you create a plan that closely mimics the wireless landscape you're aiming to deploy. First, let's upload a floor plan and lay down the basics. We'll start by creating a new project. Once that's done, we can either drop in some floor plans or start with notes. Luckily, I've got a floor plan ready, so let's just use that. We'll begin by adding scale to the plan, which the program will reference when simulating Wi-Fi propagation. Next, let's drop in some construction materials to start adding depth and give the Wi-Fi something to maneuver around. See how easy this is? You just need a basic understanding of the materials in a building. Can you tell the difference between concrete walls and drywall? Well, of course you can. You're already on your way to becoming a Hamina Pro Planner. Okay, I think we've had enough walls for now. You get the idea. Now it's time to add some access points. You'll notice there are a bunch of technologies you can work with here, but for this demo, we're gonna stick with Wi-Fi. Let's pick the access points we want to place. There's a wide selection available, and if your preferred AP isn't listed here, just reach out to Hamina. They're great and are always open to accommodating requests. We're gonna use the Calyx P6HE GigaPro. It's not an AP you would typically use indoors, so let's see how it performs in a closed environment. For placement, we'll select ceiling mount for this demo. You'll also notice we can customize the transmit power across all three bands, but we'll stick with the default settings for now. Since it's a power over Ethernet access point, we can either customize its Ethernet connection type, the route, location, and its power allocation. But again, let's just leave the default here for now. But now let's drop it in. Check it out. The walls and windows are doing their job, and if we added more walls, the radiation pattern would change even more. See what happens when we place one in an open area with no walls? This isn't what you'd expect in a real building, which is why it's crucial to build your floor plan to closely match the actual layout. There's so much more that this program can do, but I think you get the picture. A clean visual with accurate wireless details, what more could you ask for? Hamina's Network Planner fits the Wired Wisdom Tech Talk bill. It's technology that we think is cool and see massive benefits when using it in the wireless broadband space. Check out Hamina at www.hamina.com or just click the link in the description to see the Network Planner as well as the Hamina Onsite, which we will cover on the next Wired Wisdom Tech Talk. So what do you think? Would this be useful in your organization? Let me know in the comments below how you see this being useful in your organization, or if you already use it, let me know what you think and any tips or tricks somebody might benefit from while using it. Well, that does it for me. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to catch the latest Wired Wisdom videos as they are released. Thanks a lot and be safe out there.